Hello all, today I'm back with one more refreshing drink. This is pineapple mojito. So for this, I'm taking just 2 chunks of pineapple. I'm adding it to the glass and a thin slice of lemon and few mint leaves. So I'm just gently gonna crush all of them. This is just to release the flavor. And to this, I will be adding just a spoon of frozen pineapple. It gives a nice fresh pineapple flavor. This is readily available in the market. And to this, I will be adding lot of ice cubes. This makes your drink more chill for the summer. You can do a nice chill. And to chop this, I'm adding fresh pineapple juice. I'll just add few mint. So I just added few more mint leaves. And to this, I will be adding so I'm just topping this up with soda. Here is our yummy pineapple mojito ready. You can see the colors. All the pineapple juice is in yellow and the soda in white.